Welcome back to Faction Entertainment. Today, I will show you a science fiction and action Japanese movie from 2018 titled Inuyashiki. Spoilers ahead. Watch out and enjoy. Two siblings and their mother arrive at their new house bought by their father. Inuyashiki telling the estranged family to seem to be displeased by their small and dark house. And Inuyashiki is a low-paying job. Inuyashiki tries his best to please his family, but they all are very cold towards him. One day, while Inuyashiki is sitting outside in his yard, a dog walks into his house. Inuyashiki, who appears to be very fond of dogs, nurses it and happily starts putting it in its collar. He finds a note saying her name is Hanako. Take care of her, Inuyashiki. His wife comes out to the yard after him and asks him what he's doing with the dog. But just as he starts telling her that he wants to keep Hanako, she tells him to immediately get rid of her. The next day, Inuyashiki visits the hospital for a checkup. During the hospital visit, he learns that he has a rapidly progressing end-stage cancer and does not have much time to live. Inuyashiki is extremely saddened by this news. He returns to his house and calls all his family members one by one to break the news to them. But none of his cold and estranged family members answers his call. The next morning, Inuyashiki, his wife, is seen discussing a school event with her daughter Mary. As Mary is telling her mother that she does not have to attend the function, Inuyashiki addresses his family to get their attention and break the big news to them. However, thinking he just wants to come to her school event, Mary rudely tells Inuyashiki he absolutely can't come. She scorns him for being a coward and an unsuccessful man that she doesn't want to be around and leaves Inuyashiki. His wife asks him if he wants to tell her something in a tone lacking any kind of care or compassion. Seeing his family's cold behavior, he decides to keep his disease to himself before leaving for work. Inuyashiki, their wife, again tells him to get rid of the dog. And extremely depressed and anxious, Inuyashiki goes out to the yard, where Hanako starts following him around, wagging her tail with a heavy heart. He walks out with her to get rid of the only being who showed happiness upon seeing him after walking for a while. Inuyashiki puts the note he found back in Hanako's collar and takes off her leash. He then starts walking away, but Hanako keeps following him. He starts running to get away from her and eventually reaches a park where he stops for a while to catch his breath. However, when he looks around again, he finds Hanako sitting in front of him. He breaks down and sits with her on the grass as tears start rolling down his cheeks. He looks ahead to find a man who we later come to know as a Shinigami hero sitting on a bench in the park, blankly staring ahead. A bright light suddenly illuminates the park. Both the men in the park get up and look at the sky to see where the light is coming from. As they stand there, watching, the light goes brighter and brighter until a meteor comes crashing at their feet, knocking them out. Inuyashiki wakes up in the park the next morning to find Hanako sitting beside him. He notices that his glasses are broken and panics for a moment, but then realizes he no longer needs them. He then brings Hanako home and sneaks her into his room at breakfast. He realizes that he can no longer taste his food. He leaves the table and goes to his room. He starts feeling something is off about his body and touches his arm, which immediately turns into a weapon and shoots out the soup he had for breakfast. He stares at the soup on the wall in shock and sits on his bed, wondering if it's all his imagination. He then presses a point in his neck, which makes his head split up to reveal machinery parts inside. Realization dawns on him that he has now turned into a machine. Hiro is seen visiting his friend, Ando. He offers him a book to read, but Ando shows no interest and keeps playing video games instead. Hiro calls him out to the terrace, saying he has something to show him. When Ando goes out to him, Hiro makes a gun with his hand and aims at a bird. He says the word bang and the bird falls. He then takes the shocked Ando down into the garage, where he starts making the cars drive on their own. Ando gets blown away and asks Hiro how he's doing. That Hiro tells him that he's no longer a human, but a superhero. Later that day, Inuyashiki is fired from his job for repeated accounts of poor performance while walking out of his workplace. He sees the bird shot down by Hiro on the ground. When he holds it in his arms, his body starts an analysis that heals the bird and enables it to fly again. He then hears a mother's plea to a doctor, asking him to save her child, who's in a permanent coma. Inuyashiki goes to that hospital and heals the child. His mother walks in to find her child awake and starts crying tears of joy with a triumphant look on his face. Inuyashiki walks out of the hospital, repeating to himself that he saved him at school. Some bullies start degrading Ando. Hiro grabs the bully's wrist in an extremely painful way, then humiliates him and makes him publicly apologize to Ando. A girl called Shihan later walks up to Hiro in the hallway and hesitantly confesses having a crush on him. Hiro smiles and tells her he's happy to hear that. Before walking away after school, Hiro calls his mother. Their conversation reveals that Hiro and his mother are not doing well financially, and their father has left them for another woman, though he gives them a monthly allowance. Thus, Hiro visits his father on the instruction of his mother after returning from his father's house. Hiro kills a happy family merely out of jealousy. Inuyashiki reaches the murder scene after hearing the victim's cries for help but learns that he is not able to revive the dead. He then walks further into a room and finds Hiro standing there. Hiro shoots him as well and walks out. The next day, the news broadcasts the discovery of the corpses, saying they had bullet-like wounds in their bodies. But no bullets were found at the scene. After learning that Hiro caused these deaths and ends his friendship with him, Hiro's mother tells him later that she has end-stage cancer and she won't be able to live long. Hiro is extremely saddened by this and embraces his mother as tears pour from his eyes during a fight. Mori tells Inuyashiki that he is a coward who cannot protect anyone or save his family. Mary's words hurt Inuyashiki a lot, and he starts looking down on himself. However, he hears Andrew's prayer to God soon after, who's asking God to stop Heroes from hurting more people. Inuyashiki soon forgets his pain and goes to visit Ando. Inuyashiki tells Ando everything about that night that changed him in Hiro. Ando realizes they're both the same and starts training Inuyashiki to face and stop. Hiro is seen at the hospital with his mother. The shock doctors tell them after their tests that the cancer cells have somehow just disappeared from his mother's body on their way back to the house. Hiro happily tells his mother that he'll make all her dreams come true. However, the police surround them and ask Hiro to accompany them. Hiro kills 3 policemen and escapes. This news is broadcasted to the whole country, and Hiro has declared a wanted criminal while Hiro is hiding from the police. Shihan meets him and offers him to hide in her house, thinking his crimes are a rumor. While training with Ando, Inuyashiki realizes that his power comes from water. However, when he gulps some down, his body ends up eliminating it all over. Ando thus pieces together that he cannot consume water having salt in it since he's able to consume distilled water. Hiro watches his mother's interview with the media on the news where they're degrading and berating her for producing such a villainous child, blaming her for his acts. Hiro breaks down after seeing his mother's tears and learns that soon after the interview, his mother committed suicide. An online chat is simultaneously shown on the TV, where people are denigrating Hiro's mother. Someone reveals in the chat box that he revealed Hiro's mother's address to the police. Hiro gets infuriated at this and replies that he will kill him. The man mocks him, thinking it impossible, but Hiro appears on his screen and shoots him through it. He then proceeds to kill all the other people in the chat who are ridiculing his mother. Later that night, Hiro admits his crimes to Shihan and takes off with her, hovering over the city with her in his arms. Shihan tells him she can't stop loving him and promises to stay by his side. Hiro melts and tells her he'll always treasure her after they return. They find out that Shihan's house has been surrounded by the police. The police open fire on Shihan as she shouts to Hiro, asking him to run, though he immediately jumps on her to protect her from the bullets. She dies at the end. An infuriated Hiro comes on live TV all over the country the next day and tells everyone that the police killed an innocent schoolgirl last night. He then declares war against the whole country and starts shooting everyone through their screens. When Inuyashiki hears about this, he broadcasts and lives on all the televisions, telling everyone to turn off their screen, saying that's what Hiro is using to kill them. Thus, the people of the country immediately get rid of their cell phones, knowing they can no longer kill through screens. Hiro releases several missiles into the country. One of these even ends up crashing into Mary's school. The origin of the missiles reveals Hiro's location to Inuyashiki, and he goes to stop him. He tries to persuade him to stop at first, but when he refuses to listen, Inuyashiki shoots him. This infuriates Hiro, and he comes after Inuyashiki, who still believes he is no match for Hiro, takes off in an attempt to save himself. The next few minutes are spent in the wild. He says both the men fly around the city using their jetpacks. Inuyashiki hears his daughter's plea for help during the chase and gets distracted. He tries to go and save her but is prevented from doing so by Hiro as an Inuyashiki stops against a building for a while. Hiro comes crashing into him, sending him through the building into a helicopter. Hiro then gets in the helicopter after him, throwing the people inside it down. Inuyashiki manages to prevent the fall of one by holding his hand. However, Hiro kills the pilot and sends the plane to crash against a building. When Inuyashiki lands with the man, Hiro kills the man and appears in front of him. He knew Inuyashiki again tries to talk Hiro out of killing people, saying he has a family as well. Hiro asks him if his family has actually ever done anything for him, but Inuyashiki is unable to answer him. Hiro then puts a bottle of water to his lips, but Inuyashiki blows it up before he gulps it down. He again begs him to let him save his daughter while pulling out his own bottle from his pocket. Hiro throws him to the ground and takes his water bottle. He drinks from it and then releases several missiles. After Inuyashiki takes off again, using the jetpack as the missiles explode behind him. He flies off to space to defend himself, but Hiro follows him there as well. Hiro finally catches up to him and grabs him by the throat. He then aims at him with a gun in his arm, but it merely shoots out the water he drank. Realization dawns on him that he, Inuyashiki, set him up and made him drink the salty water. Hiro gets weak after this, and Inuyashiki sends his missiles after him, which blow him up. Inuyashiki then goes to his daughter's school, where he finds her passed out on the ground. He tries to heal her, but she does not wake up. He then tries giving her CPR, but it does not work either. After he gives his hopes up, Mary coughs lightly and wakes up. Inuyashiki tells Mary everything will be okay and hugs her. Just then, a hero comes and crashes into Ino. Inuyashiki Hiro then finishes anyone left alive in the building using the gun and aims at Mary. Inuyashiki intervenes, however, after which he's beaten around the place by Hiro. Inuyashiki head splits open during the fight as he's thrown onto the floor by Hiro. Mary's eyes widen at this, and he stares at him in shock. Hiro tells her that his dad is no longer a human and starts bashing his head brutally. After that, he leaves a severely weakened Inuyashiki on the ground and drags Mary to the edge, and holds her off the edge by her throat. Inuyashiki begs Hiro to stop, but he throws her down anyway. Watching his daughter falling to her probable death fills Inuyashiki with rage. His head splits open, and the mechanical parts inside him start spinning at a super fast pace, reflecting his rage. He then attacks Hiro, who comes at him as well to counter his attack. Due to the new changes in his body, Inuyashiki attack breaks through Hiro's body and he flies down after Mary. He catches her and holds her in her arms just before he crashes to the ground. He then heals Mary and then takes off, saying he needs to save the others. The next morning, Hiro's death is declared as confirmed on the news. Though his body had not been found, Hiro had not been seen in the city again. The mystery man is then praised on the news as the anchor says that a beloved hero saved their country from the vicious villain. Mary sits at the table looking at her father. Knowing that he's the miracle man, everyone has started loving so much. With this, the screen blacks out. In a mid-credit scene, Andrew is seen entering his room to see Hiro sitting in. Hiro, who is now missing an arm, offers Andrew a book to read and asks him if he's scared. Andrew tells him he is, but he's glad to see him as well. He then goes inside and tells him about a new video game he bought. Hiro tells him he didn't change a bit when Andrew turns after starting the new video game on his computer. Hiro is no longer present in his room. That is all for this video. Make sure to subscribe to Faction Entertainment and turn on notifications so you can watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.